once again, I just want to bring it out there. I've prided myself in 26 years of doing mortgage business, especially the last 22 here in Las Vegas, to really just focus on education. From educating my realtor partners that, hey, when you see a house that your client likes and it says cash only, don't just turn that away. Maybe you have a seller that understands the renovation process. Yes, are there's more steps? Of course there's more steps, but it's not like the mortgage transaction has 5 steps. And then when I call you, Adam, to do a renovation loan, it has 300 steps. No, there's going to be some more steps, and you're going to explain that in future episodes. But instead of saying, oh, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, John said you're FHA approved, we can't even look at this house. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Realtor, Susie and John Smith really love this house. It's cash only. And I say, why is it cash? And they say, John, you should see the pictures. Well, maybe it doesn't have a kitchen. Maybe the roof needs replaced. These are great opportunities to use the renovation loan because there's only 2 types of people that buy these houses. Everybody thinks it's going to be the person who has to pay cash. And maybe it's going to be a cash buyer to live in and they're going to fix it along the way. Or maybe like a cash investor who's going to fix and flip. But what about the hardworking people that can buy a $300,000 house if it's all nice and neat for $250 because it is run down, and they take a renovation loan and maybe we get to 300 or 290 or 310. Once again, Adam, you can explain the variances and the overages as we expand our series. But these are the things that people don't realize